Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, you want to launch the keyboard. Somehow, in my case, I'll use this convenient Google search bar widget. Once the keyboard is activated, you want to look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and all that is left to do prior to the clipboard being activated is to tap on the switch, therefore enabling it. And that will effectively mean that we have successfully switched on the clipboard of the keyboard. After that, if you want to remove any of the elements you have here, just tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to get rid of by tapping on them, and then click on the trash bin. In order for anything, any element, any text content to be added to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let's say I want to add the word car to it, or whatever, I'll add the word war. Copy, and if I'll get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the element that I have just copied has been successfully added to it. And from now on, I can simply paste it by tapping on any particular element that I would like to use. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.